here's a random video. I wasn't sure if I was going to make or not, but why the hell not, since I'm sat here bored doing nothing. As you may well know, I've gone and had sacral nerve modulation done, which I did point out a few times that op was coming up, and it's come and gone. Now it's been about borderline 6 weeks since I've had it done. It's pretty good. A few issues, some weird ones, but main thing is I thought I'd show you what I now have to do to hopefully fix some of my ailing problems. So what I've been given, weirdly, is a mobile phone. And with this mobile phone, I can do strange things. So the sacral nerve modulation box thing comes with a couple of different random gadgets, as we'll call them. Got this funky looking thing and a mobile phone. As you can see, it's just a normal Samsung. So what I do is load up my program. What happens next then? This phone here will try and connect to the box that is now embedded in my back / butt. Weird place to put it, but that's where it goes. As you can see, it's not connecting, and that's where this little gadget comes in. So what I do is turn this on, Bluetooth baby, and then although this will be very difficult to film, what I'm going to try and do is hold this over my skull, and it will connect then with the phone. So I'll hold this here, and it's communicating with the device. There we go, and once it's connected, we can then turn up the stimulation or down, like a tens machine. Now I also got a couple of different programs. You can see I'm program 3 out of about 10, so I'll have different stimulation settings, vice versa. There we go, so what that's supposed to do apparently is stimulate the nerves in my back, and then help with a lot of pain and other random problems that the professional bodger gets. That ranges from various problems with if I lift too much or walk too much, very weird symptoms happen, like I can't pee properly, or even to a stage where I haven't been able to at all. You do not want to go to hospital with that problem. Yeah, so one of the other side effects, again, don't recommend it, as I had a bladder stone bigger than this, and you can see that's quite a big old size. My bladder stone was 30 mil, so it was all the way up to here. It was a right whopper, stuck in there. And as you can imagine, symptoms range from lots of blood, yes, lots of pain, etc, etc. Now that's been removed horrifically. I'll also add, don't ever get it done the way they all suggest. Bad idea.
God damn it, hold him still!
The stimulator and all this kind of thing fitted, these things, and the thing inside my back is I might not be able to weld ever again. There's been various scary stories read online about a dude in America whose box exploded and burned him internally, and he was paralysed for life. That's because he was using a stick welder. I normally use MIG, but as you can imagine, I've asked the questions and it doesn't seem to be very much of an answer for whether that's going to be good or bad for me. I do know that on here, not like I'll probably be able to show you because it's all unconnected currently. No, I can't. But on the settings on here, I've actually got an MRI mode. So if I need to get an MRI done at any point, I have to remember to turn it into MRI mode, or there is actually a risk of the box thing exploding inside my back, and apparently that has happened, so don't let me forget. So as much as professional bodger sometimes looks quite well, he is not quite as well as he looks. I need to professionally bodge myself. I'm trying, robotically, obviously. So next time you see me in the Mini, I'll be hopefully fitting a, we'll call it second hand because it is, steering rack, because the one on the car was snapped and we had to bodge weld it together to get it to steer, etc. So I got a bit of refurbing to do with a new box I got. Hope we'll do it on video because it's not too difficult to do, nothing strenuous. Again, I'm not allowed to lift anything heavy for quite a long time, so we're kind of stuffed to what I can actually do. And obviously we've got the Navara, which I need to get work done on that at some point. And we've even still got the Saab. You haven't seen the Saab or much of it, but that is going to be a few videos of me fixing the brakes, making a hard choice to probably sell it because I don't really need it anymore. It's been such a great car, so yeah, look out for that. We've also got new door hinges for the driver's door, so a couple of parts going to be whacked on soon. Quite easy things to do. But yeah, look at the Mini a bit further down, and then we'll make the decision then on the rest of the welding. Hopefully I'll get the unprofessional bodger, i.e. a relative of mine, we'll call him, to finish the welding off for me underneath, because again, don't really want to explode. Not really recommended. But yeah, we'll see anyway. Like and subscribe. I'll show you in the next video at some point.